Okay, we are moving on to translating expressions. And here's the thing, this is going to be building up from orders of operation. Then we have the numerical expressions. We did algebraic expressions. Now we are translating expressions now. Okay, so we're going to learn how to read them. And so it says here there are many ways to translate an expression into words. The examples below give two different ways to write each expression. So addition, here's the expression. In words, though, you could say the sum of a number and 5 because sum means addition, right? And a number, our variable here, n and 5, or 5 more than a number. So a number plus 5 more. Please be aware of that. Subtraction, n minus 11, a number minus 11, or 11 subtracted from a number. Okay, we will get into like these opposites more so. Multiplication, we have 8n. Remember, when you have a coefficient and a variable stuck together, that means to multiply 8 times a number, or the product of a number and 8. Division, we have n over 3. You could say a number divided by 3, or the quotient of a number in 3. So here are some keywords. We're just going to throw them out there that help us know what operation to use. Addition, we have sum. We have more than. We have increased by. We have total. We have plus. And we have all together. Okay. Subtraction, we have difference. Less than. Decreased by. Subtracted from. And minus. All right, so get those down. So those are words that will trigger you to know that subtraction is the operation. Multiplication, we have product. Times. Twice. Double. Slash triple. Of. And per. Division, we have divided by. Quotient. Half. Third. Separate. Okay, so, but watch out for subtraction. The phrases below indicate a reversal in the order. So less than. Subtracted from. And fewer than. Okay, just be aware of that. Okay, this is like this, they call it a turnaround phrase. So let's go to the back. Okay. Okay, so up top here, we are going to translate expressions now. Okay, so I have 12 increased by a number. And so what I tell people to do when you're translating, we start with writing above our words what we know. 12 is the number 12. Increased by means, if you look on the back, it means to add by a number. When I say a number that's a variable, we don't know what it is. We can do n for a number. So then when you put it together, you have 12 plus n. Now the quotient of a number and 7, quotient meaning division, number and 7, okay? So the quotient, you can do, here I'll do both, n over 7, or you can write n divided by 7. Either one works. Number 3, a number decreased by 4. A number decreased means subtract by 4, so n minus 4. Number 4, the product of a number and 9. Product means multiply of a number and 9. So hear me out. This is what I want to see. Remember, product is multiply. I want to see the 9 first. That's your coefficient with your n next to it because that means multiply. That's what I want to see. I do not want to see n times 9 because that's so 5th grade. We are in 6th grade now, and that's what I want to see. 3 less than a number. 3 less than a number. Remember less than. If you go back and look at the front, less than, okay? Look down here, less than. That means we're going to take the parts of our expression and flip them. So, less than. You're not going to write 3 minus n. You're going to do n minus 3 because this means we're going to flip them. 4/5 of a number. Now remember the word of, if you look on the back, of means to multiply. So 4/5, okay, put it over here. Of is multiply a number. Again, you're not going to put times n. You're going to put an n next to it because that means to multiply. Okay. Number 7, the sum of a number and 25. So sum of a number and 25. We're going to do number plus 25. $42 subtracted from a number. 42 subtraction number. But subtracted from. Look again on the front page. Subtracted from, we're going to reverse it. Reverse it. So n minus 42. Okay? Twice a number. Twice a number. So twice a number means to multiply. So we're going to multiply by 2. Okay? So 2 times a number. Twice a number. The difference, subtraction, of a number and 17. A number and 17. There is no reversal. So we're going to do n minus 17. Okay? 1 more than a number squared. Ooh, that's a lot. 1 more than. Okay? So this is going to put our 1 at the back because 1 more than. So you got to do a number squared first. So my number squared, and then more than is add, 1 more than a number squared. 12, 2 fewer than, 2, we're going to have subtract, and then 3 times a number, 3 times a number. So fewer than, remember fewer than is reversal, so we're going to do the back first, 3 times a number, which looks like this. Fewer than, subtract 2. Okay? Got it so far? I know it's a lot to swallow, but we're going to put it all together. We're going to make it happen. Okay? We're going to make it happen. Okay. So now we're not solving. You got to write the expression in 2 ways. So look at your first side of your paper, okay? I have x plus 13. So we're going to say a number. Every time we have a variable, we're just going to say a number. Whoops, excuse me. A number plus 13. I like that. Okay. You need to write the word out though. Don't put the number, okay? Also, we can say, and there's multiple ways. We can do the sum of a number and 13. Okay. I have C minus 9. So let's do some reversals so we can get on. Well, we can like practice that. Let's do 9 less than a number. Okay. And how about the difference of a number and 9? I know it's a lot to write, but it's going to help us, help you so much. Number 15, 10p. Well, we know that that means multiply. So we're going to say the product of 10 and a number. Okay. Or we could say 10 times a number r plus 7. How about we're going to do some reversal. 7 plus, no, we'll say 7 more than, that's what I want to do, more than a number. How about the sum of a number and 7? Whew, it's a lot. Number 17. So I have, it looks like, so it's W divided by 4. So we're going to say, we're going to use a big word, the quotient. The quotient of a number and 4. And how about a number divided by 4? So 26 minus K. So we're going to do another reversal. K, whoops, I can't say that. We got to write it out. A number less than 26. Okay. And how about 26 decreased by a number? That's it. That's it, guys. But I know you're like, oh, we're going to get through it. We're going to do it. We're going to get it done. We're going to get it done.